everyone. Just now my family is being displaced for the 20th time in Gaza. So wallahi, I will never forgive anyone who watched me without using my audio. I'm here just trying to save 12 members of my family still stuck there in Gaza, including 6 children. One of them, he has malnutrition and anemia, and I am only hope for them. And you are only hope to save them lives. Please, if anyone have anything to give it, spare my link in my bio. Please, I need just 1,000 persons to use my audio. Be human and don't hesitate any amount, because every amount will save life of a human there in Gaza. Be human. We can do it together. Please, just use my audio. Thank you so much.